Hello friends, it is IAS Kannada Vahini, the part 8 of the IAS Preliminary 2021. We are continuing with the discussion Modern Indian History. Today will be the last question for the Modern India, that freedom struggle. Which movement of the freedom struggle was closely related with international events and freedom of India? The four options are given, like non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement and Swadeshi movement. These are the four major pieces of the freedom struggle. And also starting with the Swadeshi movement in 1906, coinciding with the partition of Bengal, the announcement made by Lord Curzon created a uproar, that is in West Bengal and other provinces of India, and it was reflected in the form of Swadeshi movement, means boycott of the foreign goods and use of the Indian goods. So that is the main core concept of the Swadeshi movement. Next comes non-cooperation movement 1920, that is at the backdrop of the First World War. After the First World War, some of the events which led to the start of non-cooperation movement, mainly of like Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy and Khilafat movement. All these events actually created or caused the non-cooperation movement, and it is mainly because of the Gandhi, who emerged as a mass leader in 1920s. So who started the non-cooperation movement in 1920. Then the third one is the major struggle was, that is of 1930s, civil disobedience movement, that is Salt Satyagraha, also known as Salt Satyagraha, where the different items were clubbed together, and mainly of like the breaking of the rule, breaking of the legislation of the British government. That was the main motto of the movement started by Gandhi. Then finally it is Quit India movement. Quit India movement in 1942 had a several you can say like dimension, as well as very important, significant from the so many angles. It was started in the midst of the Second World War, and also because of that the Britain was, to some extent it was you can say like became a submissive as far as the movement freedom struggle of India was concerned. And also after the stoppage of the World War, that is in 1945, Britain became weak in economic as well as in other aspects, which resulted in the you can say like kind of replacement of the government headed by Clement Attlee. Labour Party came to the power. So that is the one kind of landmark in the history of Britain as well as in the India. So among these four movements, which one actually had a major impact on freedom of India? That if we analyze all these four major struggles, we come to conclusion that it is Quit India movement. The reason is it was started after 1930, when complete independence slogan was given. The first point. Second point is, when the Quit India movement began, Second World War was going on, and also to some extent the British government was ready to hand over a power after the war. That is mainly we can see in the proposal of the Cripps mission. And also by that time we have given the call that British should quit India. The reason may be different, dimension may be different, but we had a clear-cut idea about of throwing out British from India. So that's why the 2 or 3 points usually highlight the you can say like kind of freedom of India as well as the international events which made India became independent in 1947. So clearly the answer would be Quit India movement. Answer option will be D, 3 only. Friends, we shall meet in the next series. Thank you.